Hello foodies, welcome or welcome back to the channel. On the menu today we have Nigerian fried rice. I'm about to share a very delicious but simple Nigerian fried rice recipe that I'm sure you would love and you want to try out. So please stay with me, don't go anywhere and enjoy the rest of the video. Let's get started. For today's fried rice recipe, I'll be using chicken, and this is my properly marinated chicken. I washed and cleaned the chicken properly off camera before adding my spices. I use spices like curry powder, ginger, dry thyme, garlic, salt, chicken seasoning, and others. As always, list of spices will be in the description box below. Please do well to check that out later. After adding the spices, I added a little bit of oil to help bind everything together, covered, and I let it to marinate for a few hours. Marinating the chicken is totally optional, but this just helps the chicken to soak up more spices, especially if you're using frozen chicken. So if you don't have the time to do this, then it's fine, you can skip the step. I let the chicken cook on low heat for about 5 minutes without adding any extra liquid, and this is the result. I went on to flip the chicken over. You can tell it has released some stock. So I flipped the chicken over, I gave it a quick stir, and it's time to add enough water to cook this until it is nice and ready. 10 minutes later, this is what we have. You can tell it's properly cooked, but I'm not done yet. I want to roast mine. So at this point, you can decide to leave yours this way, or you can go on a step further by roasting, grilling, frying. Just do whatever you want to do with the chicken. I strained out the chicken stock and I added the chicken onto my oven rack. This will go straight into the oven. To prepare the rice, I've just added some chopped onions into my already heated oil. I let that fry for about 2 minutes before going in with my spices. For spices, I added curry powder, dry thyme, and a little bit of fried rice spices, which is a mix of different spices and herbs. I know we are trying to keep this recipe simple, but you can always add as much spices and herbs as you want. You can add your favorite spices and herbs because this will greatly improve the taste of your fried rice. I added my spices and I went on to fry for about 2 minutes. This is just to help activate the flavors before going in with my properly washed rice. Most times when making fried rice, I don't parboil the rice. I prefer to soak the rice in hot water. Afterwards, I drain out the hot water, wash the rice with salt multiple times until the water runs clear, and then I toast it. I believe toasting the rice helps the rice grains to stand apart. This is tested and proven. So I recommend you start toasting your rice, especially if you're making a small batch of fried rice. Toasting helps the rice grains stand apart. It prevents the rice from getting soggy and you love the end result. So I toasted the rice for about 5 minutes and then I added more seasoning. Here is a big shout out to all my amazing and returning subscribers. You guys are the absolute best. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for the likes, the comments, the shares. You guys are truly amazing and I appreciate you all so much. After I was done toasting the rice, which took about 5 to 7 minutes, I added more spices. I added Scotch bonnet pepper for heat. I also added the chicken stock, added seasoning cubes, chicken seasoning, and enough water to cook the rice until it is properly cooked. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. It means a lot to me. My name is Oge, and on here I post lots of delicious food recipes. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you're among the first to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you. The rice is ready as you can see from the video, and this is exactly how I want it. You can tell that the rice is not soggy and the rice grains are apart. So this is what you should go for whenever you're trying to make fried rice. So I'll set this aside, allow it to cool down while I proceed to prepare my veggies. To prepare my veggies, I added some chopped onion into my pan and I let that fry for about 2 minutes before going in with the veggies, which is a combination of cabbage, carrots, and green beans. I added that into my pan and I fried on low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes to retain its crunchiness. I lost some clips of this video. I'm so sorry about that. Please let's make do with what we have available. I also added some seasoning. This is because I want every bite of this fried rice to be flavorful. So feel free to add as much veggies as you want. So this is what it's looking like and it's ready at this point. I also fried some ripe plantains to go with the fried rice. So foodies, this is it for this video and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like the video to get it to a wider reach, share it out to your family and friends, leave me your comments in the comment section and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you all for stopping by. I would love to see you all on my next one. Bye.